Hi friends, Katie Petite with KatiePetiteDesigns.com. Today I wanted to share with you this wonderful little watercolor set that I received from Paul Rubens. It is their floral set. So let's open it up and have a look. Comes with this sweet little chamois, very soft and pretty, and it's all in a metal palette. And I'm going to open it up here and see what we've got. Okay, so they give you a color chart and some information in Japanese. And then all of the colors here, all the pans. So each of the colors is in Japanese, but it's also written here in English. So you can see each of the colors. So if I'm going to start unwrapping each of these so I can get going. Should probably make note of what each color is, but it's not like I'm going to reorder specific colors, so I don't really think that that matters so much. Okay, let's see. I'm going to try this. Poke it through a little bit more. My nails just weren't having it. So there, it's kind of like a label that's on here. And we will open them up and go through here and open each color so that I can start working with this palette. Whoops. Get it in there. There we go. All right, and I will just keep going. All right, here it is, all unwrapped and ready to give them a run. All right, so if you follow me, you know that I do a fair amount of card making and journaling. So I'm gonna first try out these watercolors for a card background. So I wanna kind of paint like, just variations of color, kind of sunsetty. Yeah, I'm liking how this looks. Sunsetty, but not so sunsetty. Add some yellow in there. You'll come back down here with a little bit more yellow. All right, and then what I'm gonna do is just turn this over onto my card base. This is a 4x6 card of hot press watercolor paper. I prefer hot press because of the smooth texture. And I'm gonna lift it up here and see what we've got. Oh, really nice, really nice. Look at those colors. They're just so vibrant. All right, let's try that again, but with some different colors. I have a fresh sheet of 4x6 hot press cardstock. Kind of go in the middle here. Want to wet it all up. Doing some turquoise and greens. Some of my go-to colors. I really am drawn to these. So let's see what I've got here. Ooh, that one's pretty dark. So let's lighten it up a little bit. Go back a little bit more turquoise. Oh, nice. Okay. And then, because I want the dark to go on the bottom to give it balance, I'm going to turn it over, straighten it out here. Yikes. Okay, there. Push it down. I got to grab a paper towel and just gently press it. And pull up here. Ooh, nice. Again, such vibrant colors. This palette is really good for that. I swear, I can never have enough watercolors. I've got all different kinds of brands, and these Paul Rubin ones are really nice. And they're compact. I love the metal case. Makes it really easy for travel. Take them anywhere. But look at that. Now I just want to give these watercolors a run by painting some butterflies. So I've sped this up just a little bit so that you can not get bored, but you'll see my techniques as I paint these butterflies. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and get a set of the Paul Rubin watercolor for yourself. All the details are in links below. And remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again here soon.